I am feeling very hungry now.
You are hungry already? We just had snacks in the afternoon.
Yes, but now I want something special for dinner.
Something special? What are you thinking about?
Mom, can we eat pizza today?
Pizza? That sounds interesting.
I saw pizza in a video, Mom. It looked very tasty and cheesy.
Do you want to order pizza from outside?
No, Mom. I want to make pizza with you.
Make pizza at home? That is a big idea.
I know, but I want to learn. I want to be a little chef today.
Okay then, we will make pizza together.
Little Chef Lina is ready.
Then let us start our pizza adventure. Now, Lina, we need to collect all the ingredients first.
Ingredients? That sounds like a big cooking word.
Ingredients are the things we use to make food.
Like flour and cheese?
Yes, exactly like that.
Okay, Mom, I am ready. What is first?
First, we need flour to make the pizza base.
This white powder? It looks like snow.
Yes, be careful. Don't make a mess.
What is next, Mom?
Next is yeast. It helps the dough grow and become soft.
Grow? Like a plant?
Not like a plant, but it becomes fluffy.
What about this red bottle?
That is tomato sauce for the pizza topping.
It smells sweet and sour.
Yes, it gives pizza its special taste.
And this yellow thing must be cheese.
Correct. Cheese makes pizza creamy and stretchy. We also need vegetables.
I see onions and capsicum.
Yes, and we will cut them later.
Our kitchen looks like a pizza shop now.
And you are my little helper.
No, Mom. I am the little chef today.
Now we will make the pizza dough, Lina.
This is my favorite part. I like touching the dough.
Wash your hands first. Clean hands make good food.
I washed them very well, Mom. Smell them.
Okay, little chef, come here.
What do I put in the bowl first?
Add the flour slowly. Don't pour everything at once.
Like this? Oh no, it looks like a mountain.
That is fine. Now add a little salt.
I will add just a pinch, like this.
Good job. Now we add the yeast.
Done. What is next, Mom?
Add warm water slowly and mix it.
The dough is sticking to my fingers.
Add a little more flour. That will help. Keep kneading. Push and fold the dough.
Push, fold, push, fold.
Yes. Very good.
My arms are getting tired.
Is that normal?
Look, Mom. The dough is smooth now.
Yes, it looks perfect.
Can we bake the pizza now?
Not yet. The dough needs to rest.
Rest? Like me after school?
Exactly like that.
Okay. Dough, take a nice nap. Mom, the dough is just sitting there.
Yes, Lina. It needs time to grow.
How does it grow? It has no eyes or legs.
It grows because of the yeast.
The magic powder again?
Yes, it makes tiny bubbles inside the dough.
Can I see the bubbles?
Not yet. They are hiding.
Dough is very shy, I think.
Maybe. That is why we cover it.
Sleep well, dough. Don't wake up early.
You are very kind to food.
Mom, how long do we wait?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes is very long.
Then let us prepare the toppings.
Yay, I like cutting things.
Slowly and carefully, okay?
Yes, Mom, I promise.
What topping do you want first?
Cheese! Always cheese!
Cheese comes later. First, vegetables.
Oh no, vegetables again.
Vegetables make the pizza colorful and healthy.
Hey, Mom, can I check the dough now?
Not yet. Let it rest.
Dough has an easy life. Eat, sleep, grow.
You are right. Good food needs patience, Lina.
Okay, Mom, I will wait a little. Is the dough awake now?
Yes, look how big it is.
Wow, it really grew.
Touch it gently.
It feels soft and warm.
That means it is ready.
Can I roll it with the pin?
Yes, but don't press too hard.
Like this?
A little softer. Make it round.
Oops, my pizza is becoming a funny shape.
That is okay. Homemade pizza is special.
I like special pizza.
Now place it on the tray.
Done. What's next?
Spread the sauce evenly.
I will make a red circle.
Very nice. Cover all the sides.
The sauce looks like paint.
Cooking is like art.
Then I am an artist today.
A pizza artist. Now add your toppings slowly.
Tomatoes first, then onions.
Don't forget the capsicum.
Okay. Just a few pieces. Mom, can I finally add the cheese?
Yes, go ahead.
This pizza looks amazing. Mom, can I put it in the oven?
I will help you. The oven is very hot.
I can feel the heat already.
Stand a little back. Safety first.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes.
15 minutes is very long.
Time moves slowly when we are hungry.
My stomach is already talking.
What is it saying?
It is saying pizza, come fast.
Then let's clean the counter while we wait.
Timer, it is ringing.
Good ears. Let's take it out.
Be careful, Mom.
I am using my oven gloves.
Wow, it looks golden.
Is it perfectly melted?
We really did it, Mom.
Yes, little chef, you did amazing.
Mom, can we cut it now?
Yes, but let it cool for a minute.
It is very hard to wait.
Hot cheese can burn your mouth. I am cutting the pizza into slices.
Make my slice a little big.
All slices are equal, Lina.
Then I will take 2 small ones. It looks like pizza from a shop.
But this one is made at home. How does it taste?
Cheesy and warm. Mom made real pizza today.
You did from start to finish.
I feel very proud of myself.
You should. Cooking builds confidence.
What? Can I make pizza again tomorrow?
Maybe not tomorrow, but soon.
This is our pizza memory.
A very tasty memory.
Today was a very special day for Lina. She did not just make a pizza. She learned how to try something new. She mixed the dough with care. She added the toppings with joy. She waited patiently and tasted her hard work. Cooking is not only about food. It is about confidence and happiness. Small moments like this teach big lessons in life. Thank you for spending this time with us at Beginner English Zone. Listen carefully, repeat slowly, practice English every day. See you again in another simple, fun, and beautiful story.